Congratulations. It's a girl. Yay.
Thank you.
Have a girl.
Oh my God, that dog is the same size as your hand.
So little.
Look how little that is, man.
Puppy! Puppy! It's a new toy for you!
Listen, I don't want y'all to hurt her. Hey, stop being aggressive.
Jayvian!
Oh no!
Hair in it!
J-Bo!
What's up, Albury Gang? So we are packing up and we are about to head out to go get our fur baby. Right, babe?
Yep, she's right.
Oh. You don't wanna, yeah. Oh, I forgot. You don't want to be in the camera?
Sorry, I don't think you can see it. Just FYI, she driving there and she driving back.
No, I'm not. I'm just driving there. He will be driving back. So you guys, we're going to take you guys on this vlog with us. So yeah, let's get this trip started. So we're driving 3 hours there, 3 hours back. Wait,
It's
it's like like 3.5 hours there, 3.5 hours back. So that's like 7 hours total to go get this puppy, but it's gonna be worth it.
We're going all the way to Ocala, right? Ocala, or is it called like Ocala or Ocala? Ocala. So we driving past Orlando and we going all the way to Ocala. And remember, guys, that we are located in like Lake Worth, so that's gonna be a long drive.
So I have her puppy bag. I have her puppy bag here, and I have her carrier right there. So yeah, we all set. And in her puppy bag, you guys, I packed her some treats in here, and I also got her water bottle just in case she gets thirsty. We are all set. In her carrier, I have her blanket and I have a pee pad in there. Babe, open this carrier. So she have a pee pad in there and a blanket. All right, you guys, we're about to take you on this journey with us.
Look at her. So we still got a little while to go. This is at the beginning of our little travel, so we wanted to make sure that we got a little bit of the snippet in for you guys. So currently we haven't been driving that much yet, so we still got a long way to go. But we'll keep you guys noted and updated. We have about 217 more miles before we get there. You comfortable?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back. We can say we back even though you guys don't feel like we back, but listen, it's been about an hour and a half or so or something like that. So we got right now, what is it? It's like we got like 2 more hours and 16 minutes. I'm not even sure what it was on when we was talking to you guys earlier.
It was like 3 hours now. He's over there relaxing, you guys, and I'm putting all the hard work.
She's like extra excited for this puppy though. Look at her.
All right, Albury Gang, so we have made a pit stop. We still have an hour and a half to go. I'm tired, you guys. I'm really tired.
I gotta use the bathroom. I can't hold it no more.
Oh my god.
What's the bathroom, guys?
If it was me, I would have just drove straight through.
Nope.
I'm vibing to my music. I'm in my zone. I'm ready to get here and get my puppy. Well, our puppy. I'm super excited. So I guess since we here, I just, you know,
use the bathroom because you have to use it. You can't use it there. You can't use it at the people's house. You try to use the bathroom at the people's house?
No.
All right, get your man.
All right. Albury Gang. I've been sitting down so long, my legs, the back of my legs, is getting to me. Hurt. Snackies? I'm gonna give me some snacks.
I'm gonna need like a Pepsi or something.
Okay.
Take that medicine.
So I need to go get my card.
Oh, I got my card.
You locked the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the bathroom right there.
Where you going?
The men's bathroom.
Look at him, y'all. Look at him, Albury Gang.
He needs some milk.
Thousand years later.
You guys, we are finally here. We about to get our little baby. We didn't tell you guys in the puppy haul, but we are getting a Pomeranian, right, babe?
Yeah, we're excited. You gonna make the phone call?
Yes.
I mean, not as excited as y'all. I'm quite sure I'm not, but you know.
Hi, I'm outside.
Oh, you're here?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Let me come on out.
Okay.
You. Let me put a mask on.
No, it's fine.
I'm so over it.
Oh my God, that dog is the same size as your hand. She's shaking, huh? She's kind of scared.
Yeah. So she'll be a little nervous, changing environment, leaving her siblings, and all that kind of good stuff. So I have a bunch of goodies for you. So here are some puppy pads.
Okay.
Her food that she's on, so she's on Neutro Puppy. She's on dry food, so don't let her fool you.
Okay.
But if she doesn't eat because of the change in environment, I have you some wet food to mix with it. Just to mix it and make it more desirable for her, maybe.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on, make sure she's eating.
Okay.
And then a toy for her, and then all her paperwork.
Okay.
And so you have her health certificate. This is just some packets for information. Like I have NextGuard and I use HeartGuard.
Okay.
Just some that, and I have pet insurance on my doggies.
Okay.
Just if you're interested.
Yeah, I definitely am. I heard that they cover.
And then her health certificate. This is proving that she's completely healthy. So nothing's wrong with her. Whatever you do with her from now on out is on you.
Okay.
Here's some information about parvo. Do you know anything about parvo?
It's like a AIDS for dogs.
It can kill them and they'd be dead in 3 days. So don't let anyone handle them. So it's not like AIDS. It's more like a virus that they can get from other people and other dogs. So say, this is the analogy my vet gave me. Say I go to Publix or Walmart, any place where you shop, and I touch a shopping cart. Someone just before me, I know they're supposed to be cleaning them. How clean did they get them? I don't know.
Right.
But before, say so you touch it, someone right behind you just had that shopping cart and they came from the vet where their doggy died from parvo. You touch it, you come home, you touch your baby can be dead in 3 days. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. So say you have somebody come over and you don't know very well, or you're out in the community and someone's like, oh, can I play with your doggy? Can I pet your doggy? Say they just had a dog die of parvo.
Right.
And they touch your baby will be dead in 3 days.
Okay.
So be very careful who touches your baby.
Okay.
I'm quite sure she will be. Like she's like extra very careful and sanitized, and sometimes it get on my nerves, but like I understand, but like
the times we live in right now specifically, but even before that. So even like shoes. So you go out in the community and you walk wherever and you come home and you walk in your house with your shoes and she's running around, she can get worms. That easy. So you can pick it up on your feet, you can bring it in, then she can ingest it by just walking, licking on her paws or licking off something on the ground that has it on there, and she can get worms.
Okay.
She has no worms right now.
Okay.
So it's up to you to make sure she doesn't
get
get worms,
Okay.
because parasites in her belly can kill her.
Okay.
So that's just untreated over time. It would take a long time to kill her, but it would.
Okay.
Heartworms for sure would kill her sooner than later, but nonetheless, her health depends on you.
Okay. Okay, and she's gonna stay healthy.
All right, and there's some information about Pomeranians. Just if you don't know the breed, they're pretty unique and special, and just some information on there.
Okay.
So you have everything that you need to get you started.
Thank
Congratulations,
you.
it's a girl! Yay!
Thank you.
You have a girl. And if you can send me pictures, I would really
will.
appreciate it.
I definitely will. I'm gonna keep in contact with you. 'Cause
Yes, please.
like I said before, I'm gonna try to get. I wanted to, but Dad wouldn't let me.
But Daddy, listen to the logic here. So when you have two, they're easier to potty train. Rather than you wait and you get one later on, then you gotta potty train all over again.
Yeah.
And then they grow up and then they have that special bond together. I'm just saying, you know.
We gotta have a long conversation about that.
So I did start puppy pad training. So if
Okay.
you want to teach her to go outside, you know,
No, I
whatever
want
you
to
do.
teach her to do on the puppy pad.
So what I do is I leave a little pee, let her smell it, so she'll learn that's where she goes.
Okay.
Because she'll smell her scent.
Right.
And then what I mean, I don't spank, but I mean, whatever you do as a parent. But what I do is positive reward. So I get a little tiny doggy treat. Remember, she has a little tiny belly. You give too many treats, you're gonna make her sick and have diarrhea.
Okay.
So just a little treat for the taste more than anything.
Okay.
And so when she potties on the puppy pad, what I did is I was like, yay, good girl. And then I would give her, like, she just looked at me like, what? She knows. And then I would give a little treat and like it's a big deal.
Okay.
When she pottied off the pad, I'd like, no, and I put her on the pad.
Okay.
And so just that redirection.
Right.
And so however you parent, it's just what I did.
Yeah.
She's
And I just been doing a lot of research, and they said that spanking them and doing that's not good.
No.
Yeah.
It hurts your relationship
Yeah.
too. I mean, they're loyal, they love you unconditionally.
Right.
But they think you just hit me. Like, what did I do?
Right.
And I get the logic of
Yeah,
they
they just
learned
said
they did
the
something
same.
bad that they get hit, but I don't know. Anyway, so positive rewards, praise, make it a big deal, and just redirect when she doesn't.
Okay.
And she's still
too little
not.
for that.
She's still pottying on the floor.
Okay. Okay.
We're working on it.
Okay.
All right. If you have any questions, concerns, comments,
I
please
will.
reach out to me.
Okay.
And I hope we stay in contact.
We will. We definitely will. Thank you so
You're so
much.
welcome. All right.
Bye.
Bye, Chanel.
Is she the first to leave?
She's the first to leave. What's worse is the last to leave, because then they don't have their siblings. So she may cry, whine, all that stuff because she's used to being, with her siblings.
Yeah.
But she's going in good hands, so she'll be good.
Yes, she will. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye. And
Bye-bye.
Daddy, think about that second puppy.
All right, I'll think about it.
All right. Bye. You guys have a safe trip back.
Bye.
You too.
Bye.
Oh my God.
This dog is like the size of a quarter. Let me see. Look how small this dog is, guys.
Look at her. Oh my God. I thought she was bigger on the camera. She looked. Hi, Mama. Hi.
You gotta keep your eye on that dog. You can make a mistake and lose it.
You ain't losing her not for 1900.
You gotta put it in the bag, or you gonna hold her? Alright guys, we finally got the puppy. So now it's a long ride home. And
Oh my God, you guys. She's shaking.
she's
but
shaking.
She is so little.
She look like she gonna be all stuck up and bougie already.
She is. I am bougie. I am. Oh my God. Hi, mamas. Hi.
She's like, I don't even want to talk right now. I don't even know who you is. What you doing with me?
Alright, Albury Gang. So we are literally down the street from our home, but I did message the kids and tell them that we got stuck in traffic and we will not be home until 5:30. So they not expecting us to be walking in right now. Chanel is in her little bag. She's in here chilling out. I don't know if you guys can see her, but unzip this. There she is. She's sitting in there chilling. So we about to go and get the kids' reaction. I know they're gonna be super excited and wanted to hold her. She about to be overwhelmed because we got a lot of kids.
She said she's going to be the first one too. Ky'arra.
They out down the trampoline, so they don't even know.
Ky'arra. I'm the oldest. I deserve.
Look at Jamaria. Look at Jamaria.
I don't want y'all be quiet. I don't want y'all to scare her.
I guess she
Uh-oh, look at
Kaiden.
What you looking? He don't look past him, but I looking for something else. He's like, ain't no snacks in here.
She is so little.
She looked bigger on camera, mama. Like when the lady was videoing.
Let me close the door.
She looked way bigger. She lost her beads already. Why would y'all go out there and jump?
No, she been lost them.
Hey,
What Kaiden at?
you right there.
Oh, Kaiden sleep, guys.
Kaiden.
Wait, I can wake him up with a puppy. Okay,
Right in his face. He gonna don't scare him.
What Jayvian doing?
He's trying to get the blanket. Kaiden, wake up. Kaiden, wake up. I just sent you the text. Oh.
Kaiden tired. Y'all leave him alone. He tired.
I can hold her.
It goes in order. Let fat man hold.
Okay, wait, Kaiden, wait.
Listen, I don't want y'all to hurt her. Hey, stop being aggressive.
Jayvian!
Oh no!
J-Bo!
He grabbed her nose. See, y'all not finna stress her out. Okay, she's too little for that.
Daddy! She's not heavy.
Duh, she little.
Okay,
Jayvian, no. Come here. Come here.
Come on, you know how to hold it? You know how to hold her?
no, I'm not gonna trust this.
So little.
Look how little that is, man.
Puppy! Puppy! Is that a new toy for you?
She look fake.
No. She don't. Oh, play pet!
Of course, she spent like hours with your mom, so she want to go to y'all mom. She only feel comfortable with y'all mom right now. Cause she spent hours with your mom.
You don't have to run around.
Okay. Jayvian got a pet. No.
I knew J-Bo was gonna be an issue.
No, I knew that too, cause that's how he was with out the way with Pocahontas dog.
Guys, these kids will not leave her alone.
Okay, get back. Told you.
She don't want no water.
She want to get out. That's what she want to do.
She do want to get out.
Jayvian, you're
scaring her.
Chanel.
Don't leave Jayvian out.
Okay, you guys, she is currently sleeping. And there with her snuggle puppy. She is such a good dog. Look at her. and she's still not eating. Maybe she's very tired from the drive. But you guys, she is so precious. The snuggle puppy is way bigger than her. Jayvian. Alright, Albury Gang, she is finally eating. It is now, what time is it? 9:36. We took her to practice. She just really been asleep all day. Now she is hungry. I'm just waking up. Chanel did so good last night. Oh my god, I got so much sleep. We went to bed around 11. It's 7:40 and she's up. She didn't make not one cry, one sound. I believe Snuggle Puppy helped her a lot. I was really blessed with a good girl. Yes, I was. So yeah, you guys, I'll give her first bath later today. So you guys stay tuned for that.
She got a grip. Sit down, really? She like this too.
And her like me too. Shouldn't that?
Okay, so you guys, I know we just did a puppy haul, but I extended, I forgot to let you guys know that I extended her playpen so her crate can go inside. Oh, look at that, she's using the potty. Good girl. Good girl, Chanel. Good girl. Good girl. I have to find her treats. Because the treats I have, she's not eating them.
She plays with it.
Yeah, she's playing with it. Good girl.
Mommy,
Good girl. Yeah, she clear love pet. So I got the size medium, 27 with the bump out. Okay, you guys, I don't want to wake her, but she's currently taking a nap. Look at her. Okay, I'm gonna let her sleep in peace. She's trying to move. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay, Chanel. It's okay. It's okay.
I'll put these together. It's okay. Look how little she is. Her fur wet. It's okay, Mama. Oh, you're so tiny. Yeah. Lathering up her body. She can hop right on you too. It's okay. It's okay. And this is the shampoo we'll be using.
That's so.
It's okay, Chanel. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god.
And they have bubbles in it. It's crazy now. It's crazy now.
Jayvian.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you like boxes?
No.
No dogs. Dude. Put some under her neck.
Mom, I saw this cat on TikTok. As soon as the her owner turned on the water, she gonna run to it.
Really?
Yeah, she was just sitting there.
Well, maybe she likes that. Okay, Chanel.
You want me to get out of the car?
Look how small she is.
Okay.
Her so small.
This is bad. Oh. Okay.
It's okay.
I can't even bathe her how I want to, you guys. She's so little, but she's moving all over the place. I'm trying to really get her clean. Aww.
She literally attacks when she get, like, have a panic attack when she get.
Okay. Oh. Come on, back up. I know.
But you need to take a bath tonight. She's trying to help out here.
Okay. Chanel, you little, but you just. Oh, I feel so bad. It's okay. We almost done.
She's calming down a little bit.
It's cold.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Look how tiny she just got. Well, I mean, she already is tiny. Just like with her fur down, she's like
Tiny.
Alright. Do you want me to blow dry your camera?
Be quiet.
Shaking. Don't record my face. Are you?
No.
Are you?
I make a got hit.
Oh my God, Jamaria.
You
Put
are?
the camera down. Only on.
Mommy, the dang.
Does it look dark over here?
No.
Mommy, plug it.
Wait, I'm gonna plug it.
Grandma, why are you bringing him over here? He don't want to be over here.
This is going to be the end of the intro.
She's trying to run away. Intro.
The end of the video.
You can turn on hot.
No, I have it on low.
Jayvian's trying to get the camera.
It's okay. Oh, I feel so bad.
At least she's smiling. I'm right here, so she won't go fast.
It's okay. She's just scared. Okay.
She's just scared back.
Yeah.
Into the back.
I think the blow dryer kind of traumatized her, but she's fine. It's okay.
Chanel.
Look how she's walking.
Did she gotta pee?
Maybe. You look so fluffy.
Back
up. Move. Move. You got a potty?
She making sure Or is she going in there and go potty? Yep, she finna go potty. She gotta pee. Put her back in here.
Go potty. Go potty, Chanel.
This is how y'all train your puppy to potty.
Go potty.
Yeah,
Poopy stuff.
and Chanel don't. In this house, you.
Let's go. Go potty.
And that's how you prepare your puppy to potty.
You got a potty? So cold.
She is. Turn up the air. That's why.
I know she got a potty.
Come on, back up.
What is that? Everybody in there had to come to the party. Mommy, let's quiet and have the party.
Come on.
She's sitting down.
She's sitting.
Oh. Ooh.
What? I was about to say, girl, on your phone.
Jayvian saying push it. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing us play with the puppy and getting
The
her.
first 24 hours.
Yeah, the first 24 hours with our puppy. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And if y'all don't have nothing to comment, make sure y'all comment Albury Gang. See y'all in the next one. Got it. Okay.
All right.
The top.